Hey Dreamers, what's up? And today we're going to be doing part 2 of roleplay. So I have already found a family. This is my bed, and my name's Rose. Okay? Now I guess we should start off with eating some breakfast. Okay, so let's go downstairs and eat breakfast because I'm dancing because I just woke up. I guess that's cool. I guess, right? Okay, eat. Why are you on top of me, Mom? Why are you cursing me? Yes, huh? Eat. Oopsies. Eat. E-A-T-S. Eat. Aww. Yes! Yeah! What they say? Sorry, I don't know. I couldn't read it that fast. Okay. Goes and takes bath. Okay, I'll turn. Okay, first I have to. Let's see. Okay, I need a head item. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna sing while I'm in the shower. Okay, now I'm gonna, okay, now all done. Now, how about what should we do? We should, how about we go put some makeup on for my mom's room? Put some makeup without asking. Okay, you put some makeup without asking. Sneaks away. A-W-A-U-R. Hee 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 hee. Ha 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 ha. Where's my mother? Did she leave? Oh no, she went to, never mind guys. I messed up. Okay, without telling my mom, I'm going to a party. And I'm going to a party. Okay, now we're gonna go to a party. How about, yeah, I can dance. Dance, yeah. Not to mention, guys, this is so awesome. They have finally brought an extinct animal into Animal Jam. The saber-tooth. Like, how awesome is the saber-tooth, guys, you know? Okay, yay! Let's just say this yay and stuff, because that's the right thing to do. Let's see. Oh, they have some nice stuff. Oh, I like that. That's cute, but I don't want it. I have most of the stuff here, besides maybe those. And those. But I have, I don't have a jukebox and a glowing speaker or the floor, but I have everything else, so I don't need to buy anything. Hey, why are you here, doggy? Yay! Why is my dog following me? My dog is a stalker, Mom. No, get away from me. Is this your party? Oh no, no, no. Don't make me reload the page. No, 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 no. Oh, guys, I guess I have to reload the page. Okay, so. Let's look for. There she is. She should. Oh, Epic Space Bash. Okay. Let's dance. Yeah. Has burned. fun all night. I'm gonna buddy this person because this is their party. Sorry guys, I'm just like obsessed with looking at people trade this. Oh, it's cute. I like it. Don't judge me for liking that. Don't trust strange nuggets you meet in strange places. Okay. Hello, is mom here or something? Hello. I'm just gonna say has fun all night. Go phone. Doesn't get in trouble with your mom. Okay, now let's go back home. Hi, Mom. I'm home. I was at the party, and I had so much fun, didn't I, guys? Yes, I did. Okay. I was at a party. Sorry for not telling you. Sorry. Well, hi. Can I name it? Can I name it? Can I name it, Mom? Please? Can I name the dog? Are you gonna respond or not? You know what? I'm just gonna name it. Name the dog Coco. I'm obsessed with that name, guys. So I named one of my old cats that. Not a real cat in Animal Jam. There's just been any animal's name since for me. So. Okay. I guess he likes it. Okay. To bed. And don't worry, I know how to spell bed. I just am not allowed to say that. Goes to bed, hugs mom. It's hard to hug. Okay, that's a good enough hug. Good night. Good night. Oh, I didn't even say it, guys. Good night. Good night. Okay, so this pillow was so cool though. I love it. I love cats, guys. I'm sorry if you're a dog lover, but I like cats. Okay. Sleep. Okay. Let's sleep for like 30 seconds, so I'll be counting. Sorry, I'm so silent. I'm just watching the timer. Okay, we're almost there. And I'm just gonna say wakes up. Wakes up. Okay, wakes up. Wakes up. A-E-S. Up. Takes a shower. A-O-W-E-R. A shower. Oh, it doesn't let you say that. It lets you say bath though. Takes a bath. All along the wall. Just gonna put on some. Okay, I need to. No. Okay. Sings la 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 la. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, then you guys can't look, okay? So I'm gonna be behind here. Okay, there we go. Okay, eat food. Oh, have caps on. She is. Hug's mom. L U G H K F T E R S C H O O R. I will see you after school. Hi. Have a day. Have a great day. Okay. AJ school. Let's go to bed. Okay. In there. Okay. Let's try AJ University. No. Let's see if it reloads. Ugh, come on. There we go. Finally, it got in. Oopsies. Is there like a teacher anywhere? I want to be in a classroom with a teacher. Nope, there's like some cool kids. Okay, does work. Does work. Okay. Quret. Oh, wow. I put those. Let's work quietly. Oh, sorry for stepping on your face, person. Okay. Does work. Okay, we're just gonna pretend that there's a teacher's guide, okay? Oh, teacher guide. Sorry. Let's just pretend that there's gonna be a teacher guide, okay? Yeah, okay. Okay. Listen to teacher Teacher. Okay, this is teacher. Let's say 2 hours have gone by, okay? Each each lunch. Does FOICALSTUDIES. Don't want to say social? Why? Why? Why should you do this to me? Soil. I guess we're gonna have to put soil, guys. The soil studies. That's sad. I have to put soil. I'm sad now. I like the person's outfit. Bell rings. Bell rings. Goes home. Why can she say it but I not? FOCIAL. Oh, I'm gonna say I spelled it wrong, guys. Never mind. Okay, goes home to my mom. Okay, I am home. Sorry, I shouldn't have misspelled, guys. I am home. Oh, I guess my mom's not home, but that's okay. Well, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment sections below. I hope you enjoyed the life of the day of a kid in roleplay. Oh, sorry guys. I'm being so awkward leaving silence, but it's okay. Please go ahead and watch my next video as well. Bye!